Creative Artmosphere.
Hello everyone, this is Rita Rue of Creative Artmosphere, and today I am here just to post this video that I meant to post on MLK Day, but I got a bit sidetracked. I came down with COVID and things got slowed down a little bit. I had to call on Jehovah Rapha, my healer. He's healing my body, and I'm so thankful to be here today and share this post with you. It's a very short one. It's about 3 minutes and 31 seconds. I started the new year making resolutions to go forth with the business of art and making content for the YouTube channel. And just got sidetracked a couple of days there, but I'm posting this to get back on track, and I'm just letting everybody know that I am thankful and happy to be here, and thankful for you guys for tuning in. I hope you can get something out of seeing the content posted today. I know it's going at a fast pace. This is a time-lapse video, but hopefully you can pick up a thing or two and get an idea to apply something to your art that you create. And I had to do this video twice, and reason being is because when I started working on it in the digital tablet, I hit the pause button and I forgot to restart the recording of it, and so the original video I had posted, you could see the first drawing details of it, and then when I came back to it, it just popped up already colored. So I said, well, this is not going to work. I'm going to have to do this again and get better at being more remembering to hit that record button once I get back in the process of drawing. But thank you so much for tuning in. This was a short one. MLK, Martin Luther King Jr. cartoon tribute done by Rita Rue of Creative Artmosphere. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest content on the channel. This has been Rita Rue. Bye for now.